The purpose is to carry solar panel and the battery into jungle. You can see this video to see the condition we're going to use this wheel and pack. This video is uploaded by Wall Street Journal. It's a big name, and you can see their video to know why I'm going to build this kind of wheel and pack. It's for solar panel and battery, and carry those things into jungles, into those outdoor trails, and to make the outdoor life a little bit easier. Yes, those survivalists is going to tell us that they only need a knife and a backpack to do everything in jungle, and not only survival in jungle and in those forests, and but also they can live very well with only a knife, a backpack, or even without a backpack. They can live very happy in such condition. But it's not us. Our purpose is to give some tools during such condition, during such outdoor trails. Yes, this is the route of illegal immigrant or drug traffic, but it gave a concept of how and why
Darien jungle, hoping to make it.
We want this kind of tools: a wheel, a box of package, solar panel, and some necessary electric equipment. Okay, thank you. And yes, this is not perfect. This is absolutely not perfect, and but this is idea and small thing I'm doing, and as amateur project. Thank you. Bye bye.